Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which has recently come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A5 Sportback S-Line 40 TFSI S-Tronic, finished in the stunning Mythos Black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 187 brake horsepower with 320 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 7.3 seconds and onto a top speed of 150 mph. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 19-inch 5-arm Cavo design alloy wheels finished in dark grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open you receive 465 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather and part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and on the comfort side we have the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with S-Badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The view on the Audi virtual cockpit can be changed to your preference using the left side the multifunction steering wheel, and on the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls. And underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for pressurous motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the front and rear parking sensors and rear camera, giving you peace of mind that you're never going to damage that paintwork. Using the dual zone climate control means the driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.